How to return an item on eBay and get a refund as a buyer. Now, there's going to be a specific process that you need to follow first before you can complete the whole thing. To find your purchase, open a return request, wait for the seller acceptance, send the item back, and receive your refund. So first things first is just go ahead and access the specific product or item that you would like to be returned. And then just simply open a return request by selecting the item you wish to return and initiate the return process. Now you just have to wait for the seller to accept your request, and then once your request has been approved, you'll have to send the item back. And then once the item has already been received from the seller's end, it's the time that you can go ahead and receive your refund. And that's it. That's how you return an item on eBay and get a refund as a buyer.